Huson DIY. My name is Matilda and today we're going to do another resin for my teachers. I know we've already done another resin, but this time we're doing a love heart mould for my teachers. Bye! Hope you enjoy. Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you all the stuff that you need. You need a weighing scale, some dye. You can choose whatever colour dye you want. If you want some glitter, you can have some glitter. If you want to write a note inside of it, you can, or you can just have a plain one with some glitter and dye. We need a jug and the resin A and B.
Okay, should we get started?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Now guys, we're going to mix A and B into the jug. The jug's on a weighing scale, start from 0, and here we go.
Okay. I'll take the lids off here.
Okay.
Yeah? So that's A.
Ooh, I've used this before. Is it a bit sticky?
Okay. You pour it?
Oh.
No, just go. I'll tell you when to stop. I'll tell you when to stop. Keep going. Come on. Keep going. You need quite a lot. Until it gets up to about 4.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So we're doing equal parts of A and B out with Matilda.
Yeah.
So we use the weighing scale to get it exactly right. Okay, stop back there. Perfect. Okay, so let's have a look at the weight. So we can use the weigh scale. So 116. So we'll put that back to 0. So we need to get that back to 116.
1, 2, 3, 4. So now up to 8.
Up to 8. So go on, go for it.
What?
Go on, it's
Pour
on
it
0.
until
Yeah,
8.
pour it until about there, but it needs to be 116 on the weighing scale.
Okay.
Twist it that way. $116 exactly.
Okay. Should put that to 0.
No, we don't need that now. We don't need weighing scales now. So we've got that. So we'll pause there for a second.
We're going to start mixing very, very carefully.
So you need to mix it loads and loads and loads, don't we? And then we'll drop the dye in,
Yeah.
and then we'll drop the glitter in. So we're gonna mix it now. Go for it, Tilda.
I can't.
Keep mixing.
It's hard.
Yeah, go on, keep going. Put your stirrer further down. That's it. Keep stirring, stirring, stirring. Okay, we'll speed this up now.
Now we're going to put some dye in. We're going to do 4 drops. And we might put some more in just in case.
Okay, Matilda, go for it. So we've been stirring that for a few minutes now. So Tilda, you drop them and we'll keep stirring with the drops in. Go for it. Go on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, got 5. Ooh.
It might be a bit better. Don't get time in your hands. You might actually put some gloves on just in case.
Okay, we'll stir that in for a couple more minutes now, and then come back and put the glitter in.
Now we're going to sprinkle some in. I've chose gold for my glitter.
Okay, I think that. Let's see what it's like. Give that a stir through, Tilda. Maybe a little bit more. Put a little bit more for you.
Oh, I don't want to waste it.
Okay, so we'll give that another stir for a couple more minutes, then come back ready to pour.
So guys, we've been mixing for 5 minutes, and now we're going to pour some in there and in there.
And we're going to put, what we're going to do with that? We're going to put Matilda's note into there, aren't we?
Yeah, after we've put some in there, and then we're going to put some more on top.
Okay, let's go for it. You ready, Tilda?
Move that over there.
Okay, let's move that over there.
Move the microphone.
Okay, so I'll pour the first bit, okay?
Okay.
So you ready? You ready?
Ooh,
Oh, that's nice, isn't it?
yeah, I think we might need it a bit darker. I want to have a bit darker.
It's too late now, we've poured it.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so we'll pour that bit, and then we'll pour the base.
Yeah.
Alright.
Tell them what the base is for.
So you tell them what the base is for.
So, like, you can take that out and then you can stand it up.
Yeah, you can use the bottom bit as a stand for the love art, don't we?
Yeah.
Right, so we're going to drop this note now Matilda's made into the middle. Shall I do it?
Yes.
Yeah? So we're
I
going to...
don't want to touch the resin because that's one of the rules.
That is one of the rules. Can't touch the resin, can we?
You can't touch the dye or the resin. It's one of the rules. We made them up, but you cannot touch them.
Okay.
Oh no, it's getting wet.
It'll get wet. It'll get wet. Hopefully it'll be okay. Okay. So we'll just use a lollipop stick just to set it in there like that. Okay. That's looking good. So we're going to pour this on top now, Tilda, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? Fill it right up to the top.
Good.
Okay. Fingers crossed.
Oh yeah!
Oh, yeah. Nice one.
We'll have to let it dry overnight. Looks perfect. I think we're good now. We have some more.
So we're going to just stop the video there, let that set a little bit. We're knocking it air bubbles out, and then we'll do some keyring still, do you?
Yay! Guys, we've done it now, and we are going to put it somewhere
To dry, yeah?
to dry.
Yeah, let's do it.
Now we're going to pour some resin into the keyring moulder.
Into the keyring mould. So which one are we doing first, Matilda? Which letter?
M for Mrs. Marks.
M for Mrs. Marks. Okay. Let's give it a go. Oh. A bit
That's
faster.
the one that I had for my
Why? What's your name?
Matilda.
Woohoo!
Mrs. Marks and Matilda. Don't pour it on.
Okay.
And then we need to do a L
L. No problem.
for Miss Longstaff.
Okay.
And then we need to do a S for Sutcliffe, Miss Sutcliffe. And then we need to do a B for Mrs. Brown. And a B
Oops, it's leaked a bit. Don't worry about that.
Yeah.
And a B. Where's B? There it is.
for Mrs. Brown. Oh, I hope all this fits. We have time for one more, don't we?
We've got a couple more, I think, there. Which ones do you want?
I want...
Any other teachers?
We don't have any teachers in our classroom.
What about a K?
For who?
For what I said, Mr. the head teacher.
Yeah, Mr. Calcides.
That one. Okay. We've got a couple more, to be fair. Should we do a H for Huson?
Yeah.
The Huson DIY.
Yeah. We should make a resin video of us making Huson DIY.
Huson DIY one.
Yeah, like make this one connected all together and put keyring.
So we've got a D. We've got
For two. Dada.
well, I think in DIY.
Yeah.
D.
Huson DIY.
And then we might have enough for E. Oh, I don't know.
Ooh, what's the F for?
DIY.
D.
I, isn't it?
Oh, we might need some R for Y.
Oh, there's a hair there.
Oh, hair. Yucca.
Oh, I don't think we've got enough for you. Y, sorry. Oh well, that's fine.
It's
right, we'll
fine.
let them set as well, and then we can do the next part.
Woo! Everybody, welcome back. It's the day after, in the afternoon, and we're going to take all the moulds out now.
Exciting.
Yes.
So we do the letters first, yeah? Go on then.
That's why I've got them here.
That's it.
And we've got one on there. Oh.
Oh, yes. Hold it up to the camera a little bit, like that. So, D for Daddy is amazing.
No.
Oh, sorry.
DIY.
Oh, yeah. What's that? It's an A, an I for I am incredible.
No.
Sorry.
Take them out.
Yeah. H for he is cool.
No.
Go on then. I'll get the out because it's a really thin one. Look how thin that is. We ran out of resin, didn't we?
Yeah.
We've got a DIY there now, Tilda. DIY. Okay. There. For Ben is
No.
It's alright. So they've gone hard. Well, Matilda gets them out. They have gone hard. They've got a slight bit of bend to them like they did last time. But we found 2 or 3 days and they totally hardened up, don't they, Tilda?
Yeah, they're hardened up.
Yeah, so we'll take them. We'll take them out of the mould and we can leave them like that to get even harder. But they're looking really good. The glitter worked well, didn't it?
Yeah.
There's a few air bubbles in them, but come on.
This is really hard to get out.
Okay. So
Okay.
the lit and the mitt are the most important ones, aren't they?
Yeah, most really. The set is the hardest of it. Because the mitt is
Okay, they're all out. So they're the letters done. So the main event,
I'm doing it.
right? You'll love that. So be super careful with it.
I'm doing the bottom.
But do the bottom bit first.
Yeah.
Want to loosen it off for you? Super careful.
Because it's the main bit.
Super careful. Ooh, that looks good. So that goes like that. Oh, careful.
I thought I was going to
Grab
try my
it.
finger.
Grab it. Grab it. Wow. Yes, it worked.
Ah,
Brilliant.
take it off. And if you drop it, what would happen?
Well, it might
Break.
break. It probably won't though, but that sits there like that. That is super cool. So you can see the note through it still.
I was like, how are you going to sit down? And then when I found out, and then I put it on here.
You can see
Through
the
it.
paper down the middle of it. It looks really cool actually.
Yeah.
But that's worked. Really cool, that is. That sits in there like that. So that's the first one done, Matilda. That's the first present done. Yeah?
But let's do another for Miss Mom.
We're going to do another one. We'll probably not film with one though, will we?
No, because we've
No.
already done one.
We've already done one. Okay, let's stop it there. We'll get that sorted out, okay?
So we finished the resin, and now in a few days we're going to send it to my teacher as well and give it to her. The key rings are done, and we're going to make them into key rings as well. And I hope you like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.